We just started representing a lady who's involved in a truck accident case in I-20. In our initial consultation, she asked us, how long does it take for a case to resolve in Georgia for a truck accident case? If you're watching this video, you may have similar questions. In Georgia, a case has to be settled within the 2-year anniversary of the truck wreck. If it is not settled within 2 years, a lawsuit needs to be filed to protect the statute of limitations. So it's important to hire an experienced attorney that's familiar with the federal and state laws for trucking regulations, for trucker safety, to investigate, preserve, analyze who's at fault at the wreck and the degree of fault, and also analyze the client's damages, medical records, medical bills, past and future, lost wages, past and future, permanent limitations, and pain and suffering. An experienced attorney can speed that process up because they have plowed the field many times, which we have. If you have any questions about trucking accident cases in Georgia, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help.